Hello, creatures of the universe. I'm sure you're doing good. My name is Eja Variety, CEO Eja Variety. Today I just received a gift, so I wanted to use this gift to express feelings after receiving gifts, and also want to discuss the benefits of receiving gift. There are many benefits of receiving gift, but I want to talk about the most important benefit of receiving gift. Number one, receiving gift makes the receiver feels loved. Yes, when you receive, you feel loved. Nothing else attracts love more than a gift. The other thing does. It could be a physical gift, it could be a spiritual gift, like a gift of it could be a natural gift, like a gift of a baby. So I'm about opening my gift right now. I got my gift. Oh my God. I really don't know what is inside here, but I'm just so happy that someone thought of me this much and went to get something, spend time to go and get something from the shop, spend time to wrap it, spend time to deliver it. Oh my God. Even without knowing the gift, I'm feeling so loved for the time the person spent to give me this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is actually beautiful. I don't know. Oh my God, how did this person know that I would like this gift? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's just my color. The color speaks to me. Oh my God. Just the way I like it. Look at the beautiful colors. I just feel extra 50 years has been added to me. Like, oh my God, just the way I like it. My color selections. The red, that's my favorite color. In case you want to buy me a gift, red should be there. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. May you never lack in your life. Endeavor to make someone else feel loved too. Never say someone is too comfortable or too rich to receive a gift. And never give trashy things. Give what you value. I'm going to celebrate this gift by dancing right now. Thanks for watching.